How do tardigrades enter cryptobiosis? Have you ever heard of tiny creatures that can survive in the most extreme conditions? Meet the tardigrade, often called a water bear. These fascinating microanimals are known for their remarkable ability to enter a state called cryptobiosis. So, how exactly do they do this? Let's break it down. Cryptobiosis is a survival strategy where the metabolic processes of an organism come to a near halt. This allows tardigrades to survive without water or nutrients for extended periods. When faced with harsh conditions, tardigrades transform into a structure known as a ton. In this state, their water content drops dramatically, often to about 1% of their normal level. Their metabolic activity reduces to less than 0.01% of what it usually is. Now, what triggers this amazing transformation? There are several environmental factors that can lead tardigrades to enter cryptobiosis. One major trigger is desiccation, or drying out. When the environment becomes too dry, tardigrades undergo a process called anhydrobiosis. This is a specific type of cryptobiosis where they lose almost all their body water and from the ton state. Another trigger is high osmotic pressure, which can occur when tardigrades are exposed to high concentrations of solutes, like in saturated seawater. This condition leads to a form of cryptobiosis known as osmobiosis. Additionally, tardigrades can also enter cryptobiosis in response to toxic chemicals, a process referred to as chemobiosis. So, what happens during this process? When tardigrades encounter these stressors, they undergo rapid physiological changes. First, they lose water, which reduces their body moisture to a minimal level. Next, their metabolic processes slow down significantly, allowing them to survive without food or water. Finally, their bodies contract into a compact, desiccated ton that is highly resistant to environmental stress. While tardigrades are not exclusively marine animals, their ability to withstand extreme conditions makes them interesting subjects for marine biologists. Understanding how tardigrades enter cryptobiosis can provide clues about how other marine organisms might adapt to changing environments. This includes challenges like increased salinity or exposure to pollutants. Studying tardigrades can help scientists develop new methods for preserving marine life or understanding how marine ecosystems respond to extreme stressors. Although tardigrades are more commonly found in freshwater and terrestrial environments, their unique survival strategies offer a glimpse into the resilience of life in various habitats. So, the next time you think about tiny creatures in the ocean, remember the incredible tardigrade and its amazing ability to survive against the odds.